My name is Abel Lamote-Daite, and I'm the Chief Information Officer for GCB Bank, Ghana's largest indigenous bank. We're Ghana's oldest bank, and we're also Ghana's largest bank by customer base. We have all partnered with a lot of providers and technologies, and we have found Huawei to be one of those very trusted partners we can use to extend our reach and live up to our expectation and our goal of bringing financial services to the doorstep of every Ghanaian. So the challenges of GCB, I could almost say would be the challenge that banks would have in this part of the world, which is how do you open up and bring in more people? We call that financial inclusion, to bring in more people who are not in the banking space, and yet protect yourself from all the trappings and dangers of bringing in or connecting to open systems. So we have challenges with reach, network. We have challenges with how do you drop the cost of doing transactions. We have challenges with enticing people who otherwise would not want to do business with a bank to come on board and do business with a bank. And at the same time, challenges of protecting them from fraudsters and all those people out there who now have to find other ways of stealing people's money. And for this, we have a partner like Huawei, who are giving us techniques and technologies that are tried and tested. We're in places where nobody else would go. Rural places where telecom services, data services, or telephony services are so poor. And so we had a mix of technologies. We had VSATs, we had fiber where you could find fiber, we had radio where there was radio. We used the regular telcos, as in mobile networks where we could find them. It was a bit of a challenge managing all these various technologies as one. Well, thanks to Huawei's SD-WAN technology, we have a platform that brings it all together. Gives you a unified platform for you to manage these disparate technologies. Of course, there were certain things that we couldn't do previously. Security was, we had holes in our security as far as the network was concerned. Thanks to the SD-WAN technology, we've been able to plug those holes. But the beautiful thing is this: thanks to SD-WAN technology, we have managed to move the availability of our network to now as high as 99.95% for most of our sites. But otherwise, SD-WAN technology has been a great boost to how we do business at GCB. Some time ago, it was all about putting up core banking systems and cards. Today, it's changed. It's all about how you leverage AI, data analytics, to hyper-personalize the experience of our customers. How do you make GCB Bank look like it was set up for just the customer who is transacting with you at the time at which he's transacting with you? How do you know your customer so intimately that you can suggest things to him or her before she even realizes that she might have that need? Well, in that brave new world that we are entering, we need a lot of data. But not just data, we need the ability to be able to interrogate that data and find insights and use that insights to wow the customer. That is hyper-personalization. That is a direct construct or result of using artificial intelligence and all that. And this is a place where we find Huawei very, very useful. We believe that the technologies that Huawei has drop the cost of doing business or owning technology assets. Yes, the intellectual property or intellectual capacity that comes with the artificial intelligence tools, all these things would allow us to serve our customer better. And these are the kind of things that we hope to do with Huawei going forward.